Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Ecom Himalaya, and in today's video we are going to discuss about what are the things that we need to know before starting e-commerce or dropshipping business. We are going to discuss about international dropshipping, we are going to discuss about Indian dropshipping, we are going to discuss about the things that we need to do before starting this business. We are also going to discuss about brand name, company name, domain name, and last but not least I am going to show you the exact metrics of my previous product so that you will have an idea what kind of a metrics that you can have while running Facebook ads in Indian market. So this video is going to be very important guys. Make sure that you watch the entire video very carefully. And for those who are new to this channel, we are actually creating a playlist on how to create an e-commerce or dropshipping website from scratch, the one that you can see right now on my screen. The best part is that you don't need to have any coding knowledge. I have already created a playlist. The link for that playlist will be in description below and in iCard button above. This is our 14th video in the same series, and today we are going to discuss about the things that we need to do before starting e-commerce or dropshipping business. Okay, so let's go ahead guys. So first we need to decide like if whether we wanted to do a dropshipping business or e-commerce business. Okay, so how both of them are different. So in dropshipping business, what is going to happen, your supplier is going to fulfill your product directly to your customer. Okay, so you will be getting an order from your customer. Once you will be getting an order, you will be passing all this information to your supplier, and your supplier is going to fulfill that particular product directly to your customer. Okay, so in dropshipping, what is going to be happen that you don't have any inventory. Your supplier is going to fulfill it directly to your customer, and it is important that you need to check the quality of that particular product so that you will not have any complaints regarding your product. So it is very essential that you need to check the quality of your product, and after that you need to make sure that your supplier is reliable. Okay, so supplier spelling here is not correct. Okay, so you need to ensure that you have a good supplier which is going to fulfill your product honestly and are fulfilling them fastly. Okay, packing them fastly. Okay, so in e-commerce, what is going to happen, we need to fulfill the orders. What we are going to do, we are going to buy a particular inventory from supplier, and then we need to hold this inventory, and once we are getting that order, we need to pack it and then deliver it directly to our customer via shipping partners. Okay, so in that case we need to hold the inventory, and obviously we need to check the quality. It is very important that you check the quality of a product before running your ads. Before you are marketing that product, it is very essential that you need to check the quality of the product so that you won't face any Facebook ban further. You won't face a bad customer review. This is very important. Okay, and obviously in e-commerce there is going to be more processing because you need to pack the orders by yourself rather than giving that particular work to your supplier. You need to process them. So these are the basic difference between dropshipping and e-commerce business, and you can start any of them, or you can start with dropshipping and then go to e-commerce, or you can start with e-commerce, and once you are confirmed that your product quality is good and your supplier is reliable, then you can move to dropshipping. So this is all up to you guys. You can do whatever you want, and whether once you decide that, then you need to decide which market to choose. Okay, so let's go ahead. So in dropshipping or e-commerce business, we need to select which market. If I am from India, let's suppose someone is from India, then they can done Indian dropshipping or they can done international dropshipping. So what are the things that are essential for Indian dropshipping is, let's go ahead. It is very essential that you have a company and a GST. So you need to register a company guys. You need to have a GST number if you want to do marketing Indian market. So you need to have goods and service tax. So in order to register for GST is very easy. You need to go to this government website gst.gov.in. Once you go to this website, you will be able to register for GST. In 15 to 20 days you will be getting your GST number guys, and while you are registering your company, it is very important which type of a company that you want to register. Okay, so there are many types of a company like proprietorship, partnership, private limited, and public limited. So in proprietorship, you are the solo owner of that particular company, and it is very easy to get started with proprietorship firm. So if you are just starting out, I'll highly suggest you to go with proprietorship firm, and you can register your GST in gst.gov.in with simple details. You'll be getting a GST number in 15 to 20 days. You can do it for yourself, guys. I have done it myself for my company, and it is very easy. Okay, and then once we get a GST number, it is very important that we do the GST filing, guys. So in order to do the GST filing, if you have a knowledge to how you can do the GST filing from GST portal, then you can do that. And if you don't have a knowledge like me, then you need to hire a CA. My CA will handle all the GST filing for me. I don't do that because I don't have a knowledge for this. And in GST filing, there is one important option in GST portal, which is monthly filing or quarterly filing. In by default, you will be opt for monthly filing. In monthly filing, you need to file for GST every month. Okay, in quarterly filing, you need to file for GST in quarter. So if you are just starting out, I'll highly suggest you to go with quarterly filing, because in quarterly filing you don't have to file for GST every month. You can file GST quarterly, which is less hectic, and I personally prefer quarterly filing, so I'll suggest you to go with quarterly filing. It is very easy to do that. In GST portal you can change it. When you talk to your CA, they will be able to do this very easily. Okay, so now let's talk about brand name, guys. Okay, so what is going to happen, guys, you will have a company name like ABC company name. Inside that company name you can register multiple brand, guys. Okay, so what I mean by that, let's suppose we have created a pet store in previous videos. So pet shop is can be, if we have a domain.petshop.in, then pet shop is going to be our brand name. It can be our brand name. So what we can do, we can create multiple store inside one company, and it is very easy. You can create multiple store. All you need to do, in footer you can mention owned by, and then you can enter your company name. And in terms and privacy policy and in about us section, you can enter your company name, which is very easy, guys. We have already done the terms and services. All other pages I have shown you how you can create them. All you need to do is enter your company name there, guys. Okay, so we can have multiple store in one company, under one company. Okay, and once you have, yeah, like for example, let's suppose like Paytm is a brand name. Okay, and the company name is 197 Communication Limited. Okay, so this is the company name and Paytm is the brand name. Inside this company name we can have multiple brand names. Some people will have what, like let's state an example of Hindustan Liver Limited. So in that, inside that you can see there are multiple brands like Surf Excel. There are so many brands there in their company. So you can have multiple brand name inside one company. You can have multiple domain name, and most important thing, domain name and brand name can be different. Sometimes people will use their company name as a domain name, and sometimes they will use brand name as their company name. So it is all up to you. Make sure the domain name that you selected is easy to remember and customer can relate to the products. Okay, so by that you can select that. And once you are selecting your domain name, in upcoming video I'm going to show you how you can search for domain name, where you can buy domain name for cheaper prices, where you can get hosting as well. So everything will be there in upcoming videos. So make sure that you subscribe to my YouTube channel, and there is no need to worry. I'll be providing you every step one by one. Okay, so I hope you will be able to understand about brand name. A brand name can be different than domain name, but basically what we are going to do, we are going to pick our brand name as our domain name, and our company name is going to be different. In footer we will be mentioning that this particular brand name is owned by our company name. Okay, so that is what we are going to do. So when you wanted to start an Indian dropshipping business, this is all you need to do. Or you need to register for GST, and once you register for GST, you need to Obviously you can form a company, you will register for GST, and then you need to do GST filing, guys. Okay, and this is the pro tip, guys. Make sure that you do this, do quarterly filing. It is very easy, and I personally do that. That is why I am highly suggesting you to go with quarterly filing than monthly filing. Okay, in international dropshipping wise, what is going to happen, that you don't need to have any company name. There is no need to create a company. You can just pick a domain name and then you can start. In international dropshipping, you don't need to have a company name. You can start with your domain name only. Okay, so this is how it is. Initially, while you are starting out, I'll suggest you, I'll try to make you understand very easily that in India you need to understand that it is easy to get orders. In India you can get orders easily, but it is difficult to do the processing and maintain the RTO. So what is RTO right now? Let me make you understand what is RTO. So what is going to happen, guys, in India we have an option for COD, that is cash on delivery. So a customer is going to place an order on cash on delivery, and while you are confirming that particular order, the customer will say that they will accept it. But when our shipping partner is going to go to the customer door, they will refuse to accept that particular order. So in that case, what is going to happen? We will have an RTO charges. Okay, so we need to pay for shipping charges and we need to pay for RTO charges. Those charges are going to be borne to us because the customer has not accepted it, which is why it is difficult to maintain, difficult to maintain RTO and difficult to maintain processing in Indian dropshipping. Okay, in international dropshipping, all the payments are prepaid. A customer is going to pay us amount, and after we receive the amount, what is going to happen? We will be fulfilling that particular product. So but in international dropshipping there are so many competitors. Everyone want to sell their products in big four countries like Australia, Canada, USA. So what is going to happen? Our Facebook marketing cost is going to get high, and it is difficult to find a winning product in international market. In my opinion, if you are just starting out, I'll suggest you to go with Indian dropshipping, guys. Once you go with Indian dropshipping, you will have an experience how to create a store, how to manage everything, how to create campaigns, how to create ad set, how to do it Facebook data. And this all this experience that you will be having will be helpful while you will go ahead with international dropshipping. Okay, because Facebook cost is less in Indian market. If you are running it correctly, guys, you will be getting many orders, but you need to process them, you need to call the customer, you need to confirm for COD orders. So that is one thing that is hectic in India. And in international you won't have any problem, but it is difficult to market, difficult to find the right audience, and difficult to find the right winner. Okay, so that is the basic difference between these two, guys, and you can select any of them. It is all up to you. I have given my suggestion, guys, and now I'm going to show you the metrics of my previous product, guys. Okay, so this is the metrics of my previous product, guys. As you can see, I'm on ad set level, which means I have created this campaign, and inside this campaign, as you can see, there are 3 ad set. Okay, in 3 ad set you can see this particular campaign has total spend of 3630 rupees. Okay, and my purchases are 100. Okay, cost per purchases are 36.30 rupees, and my purchase conversion value is 60,739 rupees. These are very good metrics, guys. So ROS is 16.73, guys, which is very good. Plus 7 ROS is very good. 16.73 is very good. Obviously I was profitable in this particular ad set, and my CPM is 25.87 for this particular product. Okay, so obviously we have initiate checkout, initiate cart, and right now I'm going to refresh it for you so that I will show you that everything that I show here is legit. And once we refresh it, then I'm going to show you date by date data of my Facebook ads, and then I'll show you why I closed this particular campaign as well. Okay, so as you can see, it has been refreshed. The total amount spent is still the same, 3630 rupees 0.24. and my purchase conversion value is also same. So let's go ahead and change the data, guys. As you can see, this particular data is for 3rd July to 6th July only. Okay, so on 3rd of July, let's see, that was the first day. In order to show you that on 2nd of July, just a minute. Okay, on 2nd of July we will have, just a minute, update. On 2nd of July, there I have not created this campaign. Okay, as you can see, everything is 0. From 3rd I have started this particular campaign, and let's update it. So that was my first day, and this was my very first campaign of that particular product. You need to understand that these are the metrics that you won't be getting while you are starting out, especially when you are in initial phase. Why? Because I have already run few products before. Few of my failed products, and few of them are done fine, and all of the data, all of the information that I get, all the experience that I get, I have applied those in this particular campaign, which is why you are able to see this particular good results. Okay, so as you can see, so in first day I have 23, and in fourth day, as you can see, my purchases, let's see, in fourth day, in 4th of July I also have 23. On 5th, let's update, on 5th I have 28, as you can see. Okay, and let's go ahead and now let's update 3 to 6. From 3 to 6 I have 100 purchase, guys. This particular product has done very well, guys, and after 6 I have not run this particular ad set. Let me show you. On from 7 I'll just update it. So what happened with this particular product, guys? The product quality of this particular product is not good, plus I'll be getting many orders. It was hard to do processing as well, but the main issue is with the product quality. If I kept running it, then I'll be getting, Facebook bans. I will get so many, text messages. I'll get so many call regarding the return. So it is not good to sell bad product. So I was able to, I got to know that this product quality is not good, which is why I have to close this particular ad set. But these are the results that I have done, and this was my very first time for this particular product, and I was able to generate these results. So these are the kind of a metrics that you can have when you run ads successfully. And obviously I was profitable because ROS, like return on ad spend, is 16.73. Anyone who is running ads will know that 16.73 is way bigger than, way bigger than the profitable ROS, which is around 7 or 8. 7 or 8 is obviously good. So these are the metrics, guys. In upcoming video I'm going to show you how you can generate all these results for exactly, and we'll be discussing about Facebook ads and all. But in this video I have successfully told you about Indian dropshipping, international dropshipping, which one to pick, and what are the things that you need to do before you start dropshipping business, and what kind of a metrics that you can expect, guys. So this is it for today's video. In our next video I'm going to show you where you can buy domains, where you can buy hosting in cheap prices, and then we'll go ahead and migrate our local website, which we have already created, to the online server. So everything is going to be amazing, guys. Make sure that you subscribe to my YouTube channel, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you next one, guys. Bye bye, take care.